What you will regret before you die? You have approximately 4,000 weeks to live. That's it. If you are lucky enough to reach 80, that's all the time you get. And here is the uncomfortable truth. You have already used up a quarter of them. I'm Hussain, a clinical psychologist who studies decision making and time perception. Today I'm going to show you why everything you think about time is wrong and how to fix it before it's too late. Understand the time illusion. Let's do some math that will make you uncomfortable. 80 years sound like a lot, right? But let's be honest. Subtract the first 20 years where you are figuring out who you are, completely dependent on others. Subtract another 10 years where you are scrambling to survive, paying debt, building a career, learning to adult. So let's say you are 30. You have got about 50 years left. That's only 50 more summers, 50 more times you will feel the sun on your face, 50 more Christmas mornings, 50 more birthday cakes. And here is what really hurts. As you get older, you will see your parents maybe once or twice a year. They are 60 now and live to 85. You will only see them 25 more times. And even during those precious moments, you will probably be scrolling through your phone, half present, thinking about work emails or Instagram likes. We act like we are immortal, like time is infinite, but it's not, and the clock is ticking faster than you think. The deathbed test. Here is an exercise that changed my life. I call it the deathbed test. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you are 85 years old, lying in a hospital bed. These are your final hours. Your life is flashing before your eyes. In the moment when everything becomes crystal clear, what will you regret? Will you think, I wish I had worked more overtime? I wish I had gotten that promotion to senior vice president? I wish I had impressed my boss more? No, you won't give a damn about your job title. Instead, you will think, I wish I had been there for my daughter's recital instead of that meeting. I wish I had told my parents I loved them more. I wish I had traveled with my partner when we were young and healthy. I wish I had taken more risk, loved more deeply, laughed more freely. Here is the brutal truth. Your boss will forget your name within 6 months of you leaving. Your company will replace you within 2 weeks. That urgent email you are stressing about, it won't matter in 5 years. But your kids, they will remember whether you showed up. Your partner will remember whether you were not present. Your friends will remember whether you made time for them. The only people who will remember your long hours are the ones you neglect because of them. The relationship curve. Let me show you something that will change how you think about relationships. This is how we spent our time across our lifetimes. Childhood 0 to 10 years, almost all our time with family, parents, siblings. These people shape us. Adults 10 to 20 years. Friends become everything. More time with peers than family. Identify formation years. Young adulthood 20 to 40 years. Split between partner, maybe kids and co-workers. Family drops dramatically. Middle age from 60 to 65. Work dominant. More waking hours with colleagues than people we love. Retirement 65 plus. Social circle shrinks. Kid moves away. Friends pass. Partner gone. You spend most time alone. If you are 30, you have already spent 90% of your in-person time with your parents. Think about that 90% of all the hugs, conversations, meals together. Already gone. You might have 10 to 15 years left, but you will only see them a handful of time. So here is my question. Are you investing your time in relationships that actually matter, or giving your best hours to people who won't remember you in 5 years? If this graph scares you, that's good. Use that fear. Call your parents tonight. Schedule that trip with your best friend. Put down your phone during dinner, because the people you love won't be around forever. I hope you understand this today. It's the time. See you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay happy.